game. It's a rich thing.
What's up guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back. So today I do have another wig review for you guys. UNice Hair went ahead and sent me one of their wigs. This is going to be the initial review on this wig. Okay, so I do have my laptop right here. I'm gonna let you guys know about the description of the wig. This is their Glueless dark brown hair color layer cut bang wig. Okay, it's in a length 16 inches and the density is 150 density. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and see what the wig is looking like and what other stuff that we got that was included in the package. Again, it is from UNice, so this is what the package is looking like. I do have this bag of goodies. Okay, and there's some more stuff in here, but we're gonna go and take a look what is in this bag. So of course we get wig caps. Now the second thing is this melting band. Now we don't need this melting band for this specific wig because again, this is a bang wig where you're literally just throwing on and go. We don't need to glue it down. There's no lace that we need to melt, so we really don't need this. But hey, I have another one. I have extra, so that's good. We do have some lashes. Girls need lashes. Okay, and these are like some really nice quality lashes. Look at it. And this is new. I'm not sure what this is, but we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it is. Okay, it's like a little makeup brush. That's what it looks like. We do get another set of wig caps. So in total I have this one, and we have the UNice brand of wig caps. You guys can see it does say UNice right here, so that's their brand, or UNice. That's their brand of wig caps, you guys. So they do send their brand of wig caps, and then we do get, you know, the original brand that we always get. They do send us some sticky notes, and then it has their brand on there as well with their logo. So you do have some sticky notes, you guys, which this is really, really handy. And we have a nice black drawstring bag right here, little bag. So what was in that packaging was this cute little pen. Like, this is so cute. Like, I am so glad that they sent this. Like, I love anything bling. So this is like by far the best gift that I've gotten in a hair package. So I will definitely be using this pen and the sticky notes. We do have a bob pin, or like a clip. I said bob pin. We do have a clip. It does say UNice. Some jewelry, some accessories. These are like, you know, spray gold hoop earrings. Last but not least, we do get a bag to store our wig in. So that is all of the goodies that comes with the packaging. And yes, I do like to unbox everything, even though we do get majority of the same things in a hair package. But as you guys saw, we did get something different. Well, I did get something different. I don't know if anybody else has, but they've definitely upgraded, you know, their gifts. And it's just a way for UNice to, you know, appreciate their customers. Like, hey, we're not just only gonna send you a wig, we're gonna send you some other things that you might need in your everyday life. You know what I'm saying? So that's really, really nice of them. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the wig. Okay, so again, it did come in this bag right here. It did come in this netting, so we took that off. This is what the wig is looking like. Again, it is in the length 16 inches and it is 150 density, y'all. I'm running my fingers through the wig, and of course the hair as always is soft. I'm not getting any type of shedding so far. This is the first bang wig or full wig that I have received that there are no combs, not one comb on this wig. We do have an elastic band. We do have adjustable straps, okay, but no combs. We're gonna go ahead and throw her on and see what she's looking like. what the wig is looking like, y'all. Okay, she's really cute. Again, the hair is really soft. This is how the wig looks straight, and this is all of the hair pulled to the front. And this is what the wig is looking like at the back. It literally reaches the middle of my back. In my opinion, the wig is on the thin side. It really is on the thin side. For it to be a bang wig, I am expecting it to be a lot fuller than this. But I will say, if you guys like thin hair, if there's you know, some people out there that like thin hair like this, then hey, by all means, this wig is for you. I'm gonna need this wig to be fuller. So UNice, please add some more tracks to this wig. This wig is really thin for my liking. But I would say that that is the only con about this hair, is that it's thin for me. Once again, if you guys like thin hair, then you guys can definitely buy this wig. Me personally, I like thick hair, so this would not be a wig that would be my favorite from UNice. I'll just put it as that. Now again, this hair is very soft. There's no shedding. This is literally a throw on and go wig. You don't have to do too much to this wig. Again, I don't even have to cut the bangs, because I kind of like my bangs to be like this, kind of, you know, covering my eyebrows, you know, like things like that. The cap construction is perfect. I do like how it is big head friendly. It's not loose, and it's not really tight on my head either. It's a really cute wig. You know, of course, if you want to throw it on and go, and then, you know, just go pick up your kids or go to the airport, go to the grocery store, and you don't have time to do your hair, just put your real hair in a ponytail, or if it's already in braids, just put it in braids, and then you guys can just throw this wig on and go. This is what the hair is looking like straight, so I am gonna kind of curl it, or probably give it, like, you know, some waves to see how it will look, and then I will be back with you all. All right, y'all, so I threw some curls, and it took me like about a good 5 minutes to just curl this, and so we're gonna go ahead and comb out these curls really quick. I think I like the wig better with the curls. I don't know, what y'all think? Let me know. Let me know, straight or with some curls. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I kind of like it better curly, because it does look a little fuller, and it kind of get rid of, you know, those straggly ends. And I feel like it kind of just flows better. So let me know what you guys think of this wig. Now, I do give this wig an 8 out of 10. Only reason why I give it an 8 out of 10 is because of the density. Now, the density is just not what I need it to be. I'm sorry. I like full hair, and this is just, it's just not full for me. Now, me curling it, it's making me like it a little bit better. So it doesn't really take away the fact that it's not as full as I want it to be. That's the only reason why I give it an 8 out of 10, is because of the density. Other than that, like I said, like the color is really nice. It's kind of growing on me. Like the more that I look at it, the more that I like it. So I like the color. Again, I'm kind of liking the hair a little bit more because of the curls. So if I were to wear this wig out, I would definitely wear it curly and not straight. The hair is really soft, you guys, so no shedding. The hair is soft. I like the color, and then of course, you know, it curls nicely, and then the fact that, you know, you could just throw it on and go, literally throw it on and go. I didn't even need to straighten out the bangs or anything. I just need to throw some curls in it, and that was it. All right, so that's it for this video, you guys. Again, if you guys are interested in this wig, the link to this hair will be down below, along with the code you guys can use for money off. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also check out my Amazon storefront, because I do have some goodies on there for you guys. Okay, so make sure you guys check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Bye guys.